So I had a problem, which is I've been using Apple Notes since 2021. As you can see here, these are my first notes, and everything is inside these Apple Notes because it's always easier for me to just open a new Apple Note and type whatever I want. Now the problem is these are not filterable. I cannot filter them. I cannot tag them. I cannot organize them cleanly. So I want to move them, all of them, inside a Notion database that is cleanly organized. Now, how can we do that? I mean, there is no integration or connection that is easily available that I can just connect to from Notion to my Apple Notes and then move data over there as they have with other tools. So we need something in the between them. We need something between Notion and Apple Notes. And I decided to use AppleScripts. So this is the script I used for the first step. But by the way, I'm using only Notion AI for support with the scripts and everything. So as you can see here, first I gave it my plan. I said I want to use AppleScripts in the process, and then it gave me the scripts to use for AppleScript. So basically the first step is to use this script to turn all your Apple Notes into HTML files. Once that is done, this is the result. You will see all of them in folders and they are in HTML format. But if we want to import them inside Notion, we need to turn them into, we can do HTML too, I think, but I need to do it through Markdown. So for Markdown, we have to convert all of these into a Markdown and then zip it and then import it to Notion. So this is the process. Now I am in the middle of converting all of these into Markdown using bash, a bash script, which is in the terminal here. I had to install Homebrew because I didn't have it, and then I had to install Pandoc, and then I run the command for the conversion. So this is the full scripts, this is the full process. As you can see here, I'm just following Notion AI, which is using Cloud Opus 4.7, and then now we are at the export step. So I need to make sure it's already exported. So let me see. How can I make sure the files are converted to Markdown? Because the script has stopped in the terminal. In terminal, find HTML, find Markdown. Okay, let's see. This seems to be pretty straightforward method. Let's do it. We will count the files. Perfect. So we have as you can see here, we have 2,463 files in HTML format and 2,463 in Markdown format. Perfect. I have same number of files. Now, what should I do to zip all of them? Now we need to zip them. These are the ones, but the problem is I think they are mixed up with, let me see. Where is the Markdown? There is no Markdown here. Option A, zip only the Markdown files. Yes, this is what I want. So, okay, we're gonna zip them using this command. So I will just type it here. And it's working. Now it's zipping all my Markdown files. And it's supposed to create a new folder for them. Okay, it seems like it works already. Perfect. Now we have the zipped file. I think I can take it from here directly. I don't need the AI. So I will come here into Notion. I will click on import and then I will choose a file. I will choose the one that has the Markdown zip. Perfect. And then we will wait a few seconds for it to be uploaded. And then let's go. Import in progress. I think this is good. By the way, I've been recording the full process from the beginning. It was taking like 15 minutes maximum. But then my video recording, screen recording tool crashed for some reason. So I lost the first part. But yeah, anyway, it was just scripts running in the background. There was nothing special there. And I know I have to still clean them up, but that's another story. I will be using Notion AI for the cleanup, so Don't worry about that. Once we get them inside Notion, 99% of the problem is solved. Just the other 1% can be solved with Notion AI. So, by the way, this is another good thing about the AppleScript. It took all my notes and gave them actual folders where they belong. So this is cool because before I didn't have this. I don't even have this organization in my Apple Notes. It's actually good progress. I'm really excited because this has been a problem I've been struggling with for a long time. Excited to see how we can organize them inside Notion. I will probably need to make another video, part 2, about this, to see how we can show them in a nice way inside Notion. Okay, so go to import. Perfect. So this is our report, debugging information, page mappings. Let's check the books notes. Okay, perfect. You know what I need now? Basically now I need to, when you go to travel, so these are all just pages, but I need to put them in a database. So this is where Notion AI comes in. Analyze all my pages inside Notes, export MD, and move into a database. And whatever you see on this homepage should be the tag for each note inside it. So these are like the categories, and what's inside it is the actual database notes. I don't know if I explained this properly, but let's wait. So kind of the whole process took me 10 minutes before recording this, and now I'm into 13 minutes, so it's kind of less than 20 minutes. So as you can see here, very soon it will start moving to 1,000 pages. See? It's working. Imagine now we have our notes organized by type, and we can add as many filters as we want. We can do a lot of things now using the Notion AI. Yeah, probably I will work on this offline, and then I will share with you the end result of how I organize them once I do that.